Okay, so we're back. And what I'm trying to do right now is I'm going to be chopping up one small onion. I could use shallots if I wish to. In this case, I'm using one small onion to cook with the chicken. Now, the reason I'm doing this is to add flavor. I want to add the leeks over here a little bit later in the cooking process so that they maintain some of their texture. I don't want them to become too soupy. The onions are just being added for flavor, not texture, so I really don't care how soupy these get. I'm going to be chopping them very finely, and they're going to integrate and basically disappear, leaving behind only their essence. Alright. It's difficult to chop while filming, but I don't have anybody here to manage the camera for me, so there we go. I think I did a pretty good job of it. There we go. That'll be nice. Now when this cooks down with the chicken and a little bit of peanut oil, it's going to basically reduce into a broth, which is going to be very nice. It's going to have a beautiful flavor. See you later.